Be honest, making slides is the worst. You've got a deadline, you open PowerPoint, and an hour later, you're still dragging text boxes around, trying to make one slide not look ugly. So you give up and try an AI tool, and it hands you the same flat, boring, generic deck that screams, "A robot made this." So what if you could type one idea and get a presentation that actually looks like a designer built it? Charts, animations, images, even 3D models. No design skills, no dragging boxes. This is Dokie. And it does stuff I've never seen an AI slide tool do. Let me show you. This is the homepage. Clean, no clutter. And it's not only slides, you can also create social media carousels and posters from the same idea. But today we're focused on presentations. So let's create slides. And it's not just typing. You can turn a document into a deck, paste a website URL, even drop a YouTube link, and it builds slides from it. We'll come back to those. There's also an Inspire Me button if you're totally blank. But let's keep it simple. I'll just type one idea, like I'm talking to a person, and let it do the work. Watch how fast this is. Here's the part I didn't expect, and it doesn't just dump slides on you. First, it shows me a plan, a title it came up with, how many slides, the animation style, and the whole outline of what each slide will say. It's basically pitching me the story before it builds anything. Then I pick a template. There's a stack of templates and themes, and you can even upload your own brand template, so everything builds in your style. And while it builds the outline, it's actually searching for the right text and images. For a business topic, it'll even pull in real numbers and percentages. So it's not a hollow template, it's an actual argument. I hit confirm and generate. And there it is. The first slide already lands. The font fits the vibe, the tone's right for the audience, and the problem slide is laid out clean. This is what I meant. It looks designed, not generated. Most AI tools give you that obvious, "a robot made this" look. This is the first one where I just present these as is. Now the part I love, if I want to add something, I don't have to start over. I just chat inside the deck. For example, add a pricing slide. Boom, already matching the design. And if I want to change something on a specific slide, say add a chart, I just go to that slide, click the chart option, pick the type I want, and within a second it's in there looking clean. Same with images, or basically anything else. So you've got both. Chat for the fast stuff, or click in for the exact stuff. Okay, real question. Is this actually better than the tool everyone already uses, Gamma? So I gave Gamma the exact same prompt, stuck with the defaults, and hit Generate Outline. Credit where it's due. It gives you a solid, logical structure for every slide, and from there you can tweak the text and visuals. I hit Generate again, and the deck comes together fast. The cons for me, it still feels a bit like a web page chopped into chunks with too much text per slide. The templates felt a little repetitive too. So honestly, Gamma's solid, genuinely great for reports and quick docs. Visually for me, it just lands more average, and yeah, Gamma even has the chat editing thing, same as Dokie. But then I went looking for one specific feature, and I could not find it anywhere in Gamma's menu. 3D models and interactive objects, right inside the slide. That's the one real difference. For a normal deck, honestly, pick either. They're both great. But if you want yours to actually stand out, that's where Dokie pulls ahead. Let me show you what I mean. Now remember those input options I showed you? Instead of typing anything, I'll go to URL to slides, paste in a web page, and watch, it reads the whole page and builds a deck from it automatically. Here's the part I've been waiting to show you. A real 3D model right inside the slide. I can spin it, place it anywhere, and you can add hover effects, so elements react when someone mouses over them. It's the kind of thing that makes someone watching go, "Wait, how did you make that?" Perfect for a product, a launch, a portfolio. I'll be honest though, 3D shines for the right topic, like this. I wouldn't force it into every deck, but when it fits, nothing else comes close. And from here I can switch the theme, export however I want, PDF, PNG, even present it right inside Dokie, and share it with a link. So if you're a founder pitching investors, a freelancer sending client decks, a student who's sick of slides that look like everyone else's, this is for you. Your slides actually look designer made out of the box. And that 3D and interactive stuff is something I haven't seen anywhere else. So if you make presentations and you're not a designer, it just does the heavy lifting for you. Links in the description, and Dokie set you up with free credits. So go make something, paste a URL, drop in a 3D model, and tell me in the comments what you built. And if this saved you from one more ugly slide deck, subscribe. I test tools like this every week. See you in the next one.